Good morning. I'm popping in here this morning after a beautiful restorative weekend. One in which I had the opportunity to pause and open myself and restore and really to receive, right? Receive what's happening in our environment. Receive other people. Receive my breath. Receive the springtime. Receive these flowers. And it makes me feel the soft opening of receptivity, the soft opening of awareness. And for me, Qigong practice is my access, my bridge, my threshold, my skill that helps me, supports me to cultivate the conditions for me to bloom and open and be receptive and expanded. And also to recognize when I'm not, just as importantly, to recognize when I contract and shut down. And I still contract and shut down, obviously, but those moments usually don't last as long. I'm able to move through them and to come back into an open, receptive, curious state. And so I'm curious about you, what your practice is like. What helps you shift from being contracted and stressed into being open and energized and receptive? Tell me.